very enjoyable. It's a beautiful summer evening. I like it. I love the music.
The favorite part for me has always been going up on the balloon. It's such a unique experience. We've done it both in the daytime and the evening, and enjoy seeing the city lights as well as seeing the mountains during the day. So it's pretty fun.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
It's contagious. Everybody, once that you see one dancing, everybody start dancing too. Children, adults, everybody. So we just love it. We're having a good time. And it's free.
Maybe you couldn't talk to your mother or stand up to your dad. You want my forgiveness, and then I'll give it to you. But you got yourself into this mess, and there's nothing I can do. And now you want somebody to be your buttercup. Good luck finding your buttercup.
And we've lived in Irvine for 35 years, and we love coming out here, and every year it just gets better and better because there's more things to do and more things to see.
It's just a great setup, really. I mean, and to have the cafe in an old hangar is really neat. It's kind of historical, so it's kind of nice to be here because of the history of it, you know? You've got all this great atmosphere. They set up this great dance floor. I mean, this is really nice. You don't have to dance on concrete. And then they bring in such interesting people. It's such a variety. You can do all different kinds of dancing, which I love to do, which is really fun.
It's just such a great concept, and I've been reading about it and seeing it, like I said, from a distance, but then to actually get out here and walk the grounds and to see the timeline and the history and the museum, and just to know that the possibilities that are out here I think are really neat.
I think a community needs a venue like this, a place where people can come and just be with other people, to see other people and be seen by other people. In this area in Orange County, this is a large public square where there's just a lot of activity going on, and I can see this becoming a center for the community in the years ahead.
Music is such a coordinator. It brings people, it attracts people. It doesn't really need anything else. And I think it's a great community event for everybody, all ages, all ethnicities to get together and enjoy just the culture of it. Just the beat, the music, that's the one unifier here, you know?
Yeah.
last year I came to one of the events like this, and this is very special. I'm glad that we have this, and especially I get to see a group that I haven't seen in years and years and years.
I think the Palm Court's fantastic. What they just opened up, the hangar, it's just turning into what will be a fantastic park. Give it a few more years, and I know they're doing it gradually, and they have to do it gradually, but I think it's grown exponentially, and it's just a beautiful place.